This is going to be the other bank of elevators, the main bank at the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Disney Springs in Orlando. That elevator's modded now, and that one is in the process. You might even, I can kind of see into the shaft a little bit. And these two are still original though, Elevonic 401s from 1983. Alright, we'll ride these. See, this is the original cab. See, new, old one, and there's the new one over there. Well, let's go up to 10. Here we go. First and last ride on these. Here we go.
I like those lights.
Me too.
Let's take a bit.
Some of them are burnt out though.
Yeah.
Tenth floor.
It's got the grandma voice. Whoa.
Going down.
They're modding that one, see. Wonder if Mike is working on these.
Yeah.
I think he also originally was one of the people that installed these too.
You're talking about Mike?
He's an Otis elevator tech.
Nice.
I've met him. I think these were one of his first installations. He's, you know, because he started working in the 80s.
Really?
And there's the other two. What floor?
7.
7 floor.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here we go.
Seventh floor. Going up. Tenth floor. Going down.
All right. And there's your buttons and your other COP. One. Again, very nice elevator cab. This is the original elevator here. It's gonna be going bye-bye pretty soon. There's your lights, which unfortunately some are burnt out. And there's that one waiting. Let's go take another ride. There's no phone in here. Installed in 1983. I like these.
Yeah.
Tenth floor.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get the grandma voice to say some other numbers.
Ninth floor.
Classic levels. See, 9th floor. Then I'll do one more ride and then I'll show both indicators.
Eighth floor. Going down.
There's your view up. Shaft lights are off on the here. One. So for your buttons, other COP.
First floor.
And they're taking the other car up. New one. 10? At least I got to show you these before these were all gone.
Thank you.
Thank God.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
10th floor.
Alright, let's get off here. I want to get a lookout.
Going down.
Yeah, and I'm gonna need to switch my battery because it's about to die, so I gotta fix that. Alright, I'm resuming my video now. We're on the 10th floor of the Hilton, Lake Buena Vista. Got a little sitting area on the 9th floor. I got here because they got some Elevonic 401 Otis elevators from 1983, but as you see, they're getting modded by Otis with Series M2. Can't really see that one. Let's see. Got new call button on that side, but of course I want to ride the old ones.
Going down.
Don't shut, please. The other one's opening up. See, old one and new one in comparison. One. Gonna get both indicators.
First floor.
I'll let you push the button. We'll go up to 10 one more
Going
time.
out.
You're welcome. And I'll get in an impact cam and then I'll end the video on one.
Tenth floor.
Classic levels.
Going down.
Let's go to 2 and 1. One there.
Second floor.
Oh yeah. Ooh, wow. Let's look out here. All the call buttons here are new. Yeah. Ooh, they nicely renovated this hallway here. And see, look at this. This is interesting. You see, you got the old lantern there, but a new one on that side. Oh, yeah, they're on separate controllers. I'm gonna ride the... I don't want to ride the new one. We'll have plenty of time to play with these once they're all done. We're gonna get one of these too. Oh, that chime. Oh, this one's a little different than the other one.
Okay.
Actually, get an impact cam.
First floor.
Alright. Alright, I'll let you out. Get a quick ride on this one. What do you think of these?
They're nice. I like it better than the new elevators, to be honest.
I agree. It's a shame these are going to be gone.
Florida's becoming a modern city.
Florida is this modern state in general. Jeez.
I'm in state.
Yeah. Let's listen. Hear the call recognition. One more view of these old cabs before they're destroyed. This elevator's got a countdown on its life.
First floor.
And we'll get off here. Otis? I want to ring the bell before these go. I want to ring it. It's got the other one. Oh well. Alright, I'm letting it close. Yeah, there's that one there. And there they go. And that will be it.